human heart has how many chambers? 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Which type of joint allows for a wide range of motion, like the shoulder joint, hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint? Ball and socket joint. What is the purpose of the myelin sheath in the nervous system? Transmitting nerve impulses, producing hormones, storing neurotransmitters, protecting bones. Transmitting nerve impulses. Which organ in the human body is responsible for detoxification and metabolizing various substances? Spleen, lungs, liver, gallbladder. Liver. Which part of the human ear is responsible for maintaining balance? Tympanic membrane, cochlea, eustachian tube, vestibular system. Vestibular system. What is the function of platelets in the blood? Carrying oxygen, fighting infections, clotting blood, producing antibodies. Clotting blood. Which part of the human brain is responsible for regulating body temperature and hunger? Cerebrum, hypothalamus, thalamus, medulla oblongata. Hypothalamus. What is the main function of the small hair-like structures called cilia in the respiratory system? Producing mucus, exchanging gases, filtering dust and debris, producing antibodies. Filtering dust and debris. Which gland in the brain is often referred to as the master gland for its role in regulating other glands in the endocrine system? Pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland. Pituitary gland. What is the function of the cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, in the central nervous system? Digesting food, transmitting nerve signals, protecting the brain and spinal cord, regulating blood pressure. Protecting the brain and spinal cord.